What's happening, people? Welcome back to Deadly TV. We're on a mission today. It's a lovely day. We're buying a car for my sister Fatima. I've been looking for a couple of weeks now for this car, and I've been searching all the sites: Auto Trader, eBay, Facebook, Gumtree. But Gumtree's a bit dodgy, so I don't really want to look too much on that site. But yeah, we found a nice one. It's taken a bit of time, but I think this is the one, and we're just heading there right now. Originally, I wanted to get her another one, so I put a post up on my Instagram, and there was a white one that we sort of lined up. But on the day that I was meant to go and get it, it got bought. Are you excited, Fats?
Yeah, I'd definitely say I'm excited, but obviously this car is something very different to the kind of usual vehicle I would have thought I would have gone for.
Yeah, I didn't think you'd want one of these either.
Like, yeah, it's so different, and I think a lot of like girls my age would have gone for slightly different. But I think it's more of, I'd say it's experience.
Yeah, a racer in our blood.
Yeah,
It's
I'd
in the
definitely say
bloodline.
it's being around my brothers. Obviously, they've, I've been brought up with cars and stuff, so it's just kind of following it's in my blood. What can I say?
But I think even when you told me, I was a bit taken back. Like, I was a bit shocked. I wasn't ready.
I was like, huh? You sure she wanted this car?
Yeah.
You want it?
The last time I actually bought a car was like when I passed.
Yeah.
So this car is definitely going to be something I'll look after, and I'll, enjoy it. Hopefully for summer.
Yeah, I think these cars obviously hold a soft spot in all of our hearts, because even you like them, Gobin.
Yeah, one of my favourites.
I think what made Fats more interested in it is when you had one, Ricky, a long time ago.
Yeah, back
That's what
then.
made her fall in love with this
I was jealous when I couldn't drive because I only drive automatic.
Yeah, Fats was saying, if only there was one in auto, and I think.
Yeah, we'll just stick a 2JZ auto in there, innit?
Yeah, that's it.
Twin turbo.
Fats, are you ready to go sideways? Yeah.
Listen, brother, I'm ready, definitely. I just keep my shades on.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And let's go.
Anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're not gonna tell you what car it is. You're gonna have to wait and find out. Yeah, we'll show you around the car. We'll show you the buying process and everything, and then hopefully we come home with it.
Yeah, we ain't far now, so we're only going Surrey from London. So yeah, stay ready.
Okay guys, basically we've just turned up at the address. Ricky and his sister have gone inside. They're having a look at the car right now. I've seen the car myself. Looks absolutely amazing. Unfortunately, the car is literally right in front of his house, so if we were to take any shots, it'd be picking up his whole address and everything. So yeah, the guy's asked us, just for the sake of his privacy, he's going to put the car in front of his showroom, which he has. There's a few other nice little cars there as well. We'll show you those as well. Yeah, hopefully next time you see us, we would have bought the car. Husam?
Hopefully they hurry up.
You've seen it. It's nice, isn't it?
It's amazing. It's
Yeah.
amazing. Hopefully they get a deal done soon.
Yeah, I mean, we've already been here for about 15 minutes, so hopefully not too much longer. But yeah, next time you see us, you're going to see the car, and literally it's going to be the reveal, so stay tuned.
So guys, this is Fatima's new fresh Sunar Bangla.
The BMW E30, second generation of the 3 Series, started production in 1982 until 1994. Instantly became loved by all thanks to its brilliant engineering, sporty performance and timeless design. Fats' car is powered by a 2-litre inline 6-cylinder which makes around 125 horsepower and 122 foot-pounds of torque, which at the time was great, but let's be honest, she's not going to win any competitions anytime soon. The E30 uses a rear-wheel drive layout and has well-tuned suspension, making it very nice to drive.
This is the car I've been waiting for.
Yeah.
This is it's a dream, bro.
Yeah.
I'm really happy with it. I really like it.
That's weird.
It's something very different, very unique. It's not your usual type of cars you'll have.
Yeah. And yeah, we're so lucky that it was in really good condition. It drives really nice. We've gone through the gears. I've told her she has to be a bit more friendly with the gears, But
definitely, it's a perfect summer car, I'd say.
Yeah, it's a perfect sort of classic car to begin with your,
Because if you think about it, you have to drive it a certain way. It's
Yeah.
a certain style.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to respect the car as well, you know.
That's it.
I'm ready, brother.
You're officially a classic owner now. You ready, yeah?
Let's go, brother. Let's go. Trust me.
The old school car has got even modern tech in it. That's it. You ready, Fats?
Could enjoy the weather, enjoy the sun.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the perfect ride to have. An E30.
Yo, Gob, come over here, man. Check out his personal collection. This is literally in concourse condition. It's so mint, honestly. Just check this out. Let's look at this deadly collection of classics. We've got a 1955 Thunderbird. Timeless design. This will be so wicked to drive it in summer right now. That's me. Patrolling down the countryside in one of these is just like a dream right now. It's looking too deadly. Alright guys, it's a fresh red colour Corvette. This is a bit of gobby.
Yeah, I can't lie, this is one of my favourite cars. It's got a 5.7 litre LS motor, V8. Sounds amazing, this car, I swear.
I can imagine you, Gob, in summer patrolling around the area.
Yeah, me and just apparently because there's only 2 seats in it. Go scurrying.
Nah, it looks sick, I'm not gonna lie. This looks mad.
Finally, we have a Bentley Continental Super Sport
Yeah, this is the GTC model. It's
with the famous W16 engine.
Yeah, this is mint, it's looking fresh.
I can't lie, this is
It's looking proper,
a
innit?
motor.
Even though it's the older like Bentley generation, but it just looks so nice. This car's probably like an 07 plate or something.
Welcome to London. A few minutes ago, it was sunny, open roads,
We had the top down,
and now
living the life.
we are sweating. It's hot.
It's
I don't
raining.
think there is AC. It's raining and we're sitting in traffic.
What a life.
What a great life. So guys, we've picked up the E30. I mean, it's a beautiful motor, isn't it, man? I
Yeah.
mean, you can tell she's a little bit tired. 30.
36 years old, yes.
Yeah.
So 1988 model E30. So yeah, it's 36 years old. The interior is a bit tired, but yeah, we're looking to maybe refresh it. But outside body is actually really nice for its age. Yeah, we've obviously driven the car back and we're falling into rain. So yeah, we've had to put the roof on.
Yeah.
We was enjoying it with the roof down, but yeah.
That's how I wanted to get in. That's when it started to rain.
So yeah.
Like a drive, Ricky.
Do you know what?
Good drive.
It's nice. It takes me back to my childhood days because my brother had quite a few of these E30s and E36s. So it just it literally takes me back like 20 years.
Very nostalgic, isn't it?
Yeah,
This car.
yeah, and the gearbox is very sluggish as well. We're like trying to
That's what
change
you
it.
want, man. You want it to rev until the gig
Comes off the rev. Yeah.
which it does, by the way. It finishes.
It goes off the clock, guys. So it's reading like wrong. It's revving to the moon, guys. Off the clock. Are you ready? But that's what you get with old cars, isn't it? You know, it's just good fun. It's a proper iconic, like classic,
man.
innit? You know.
You're not trying to get the fastest lap times or I don't know, but you will definitely turn some heads and you will have a smile in your face.
Yeah.
That's what these cars are
On the
about.
motorway, everyone's looking, giving a thumbs up. Like, come on, man! Like, everyone loves the E30. Who doesn't?
You know what's the most important thing? Your
Yeah.
sister loves it.
Yeah, I think, you know what, in fact, she really wanted one for a long time, and she was saying to me, if only we could get it in auto, because she could only drive auto. So this summer, obviously, her birthday is like this month, so I thought, you know what, let's just give her a nice little treat and get her an auto E30 convertible. So yeah, man, I say you can feel the gear changes, you know, it's proper.
Whiplash every time you change gears.
It's proper old school, man, but you know what, it's part of the car's character, innit?
Yeah, 100%.
They're made for this,
No,
man.
man. I mean, with all its little like stuff like jerky gearbox and whatnot, that just comes with age. At the time, obviously, that was
Exactly,
top spec.
exactly.
You know what I mean?
Right
But
now,
we used to do much, but
yeah, exactly.
you don't want it without this.
No, exactly. Like, this is the proper old school feeling, the jerkiness, the smell of fuel, the, I don't know, all the squeakiness, the rattles, you know, come with stuff.
Yeah.
Part of the whole experience, innit, you know?
Maybe to Jay-Z.
You never know. Never know. Trust me.
Grown up now.
But yeah, Gobi, obviously this takes you to your childhood days as well,
100%, man. I love these cars, man. I had a post of one of these. My brother had the E36 M3, which obviously I loved. Hopefully one day I want to own one.
For back then, they were
But
big ones.
E30, when you guys owned your last one, oh man, like,
That was about 8 years ago.
yeah, I was begging your brother, like, oh, let me do the spark plugs, let me do the oil change. I couldn't drive it at the time because I didn't have the insurance, but I just wanted to get my hands on it one way or another.
I know. Remember that time when we drove into Central and everyone's looking?
Lovely, man.
That's
Don't
when
worry.
everyone was just staring at the car, like.
We're doing that again this time. Summer's coming, guys. You're gonna catch us just scurrying.
Just patrolling around.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Don't ask us where we're going because we're not going anywhere. We're just driving.
Oh, Bobby, give it a hit. Too deadly.
Right, guys. I think we're nearly home now. We're about 20 minutes away. We'll go home, park it up. I think you're gonna do some work on it before you.
Fully give it to Fatima, innit?
Yeah.
Before we do the handover, just want to tidy up a little and make it look proper mint.
Obviously, we're gonna keep you guys in the loop with all of that. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, put the bell on, do all of that. And until then, stay tuned and stay ready.